Hi everyone, this is going to be a short video. I'm on my way to meet my nieces and my daughter. That video that I did on my sisters kind of set some emotional rumblings in everyone. So we're meeting for lunch at Chaz Palminteri's restaurant in White Plains. I'm up here in the boondocks. And I passed pigs, cows, horses, there are chicken coops, everything. There's even a meat farm. That's something for a city girl. I was born in New York City. And up here is it's quite a change. But I'm looking forward to seeing my nieces, 4 of them, and my daughter. We're gonna have a nice lunch. I've been on a diet, my 1000th diet. I mean, I think I've been on every diet there is conceivable, except the new one, the carne diet, the meat diet. I don't know if that's good for your health. Anyway, I'm gonna have a cocktail. I looked at their menu online. Isn't it nice to be able to see what you have in store for you? I know what I'm going to order, so it won't be too fattening. Just the cocktail will be fattening, but not too fattening. It's all white liquor. Anyway, I'm glad that video that I posted on my sisters sort of lit a fire under a couple of people. Anyway, it's finally in the 40s. It's been 5, 10. One morning it was a 15. Oh, wow. I'm not a country girl. I mean, you could take me out of the city, but you can't take the city out of me. Oh boy. Anyway, I hope everyone is having a good day and we're on the upcline so that spring is close. Oh my God. I can't even think. Hope you have a good week. See you soon.